Hello my friend, welcome to biggest goat of the world YouTube channel. Please subscribe your channel. Yes, it is right, kota goat is one of the most profitable goat breed in India. It is an unrecognized goat breed by the government but available in large numbers. The best thing is that there are no organized farms in India working on this breed. If you can raise 100 pure quality kota females, then surely you can make a very good money from their kids. The demand for this breed is increasing more and more. The reason for the demand is their height and length. The male buck looks really beautiful and achieves a very good body weight. This goat body weight 141 kilograms and 310 pounds, height 41 inch, goat owner Imran.